Hello students, today we are going to start. A new topic, which is addition of vectors. Let us see what is the definition of a vector. What is vector? Listen, a quantity has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction is called a vector. For example, take a line segment as like this AB. Suppose it has the quantity AB, its magnitude written as AB, its direction is AB bar. It has magnitude and direction. The direction is from A to B. Then this is called a vector. Generally, vectors are denoted by this is its magnitude. Generally, vector AB is vector from A to B is denoted by AB. In textbooks, it can be taken as thick letters, thick letter AB, as like this given in the textbooks. Suppose AB bar is A bar, or here it can be taken in the textbook as thick letter. This is the way to write, use bars for the vectors. Understand? Now let us see what is a scalar. Scalar nothing but this is it has a quantity has only magnitude. Simply we say that a real number is a scalar. A real number is a scalar. Understand? So null vector. Null vector means the vector is denoted by its magnitude is 0. Understand? So we can take the null vector as like this. Now next we have ordered triads. This is called a triple ordered triad X, Y, Z. This is an ordered triad. It can be taken as Xi plus Yj plus Zk, three-dimensional geometry. In the direction of x-axis, y-axis, then the direction of x-axis is unit vector I, y-axis J. In the direction of z-axis k. That can be written as a vector xi plus yj plus zk. Every vector can be written as bar, I bar, j bar, k bar. It is must and should use bars for the vectors. Understand? Next, an important vector is position vector. This is very important. Position vector. Let us see what is position vector. A vector whose initial point is O, terminal point is any another point, which is called position vector, or otherwise the vector we should take with respect to the origin O called position vector. As like this: O initial point, terminal point. OP bar is a position vector with respect to O. Position vector with respect to O. Similarly, we can write the position vectors OA bar, OP bar, OC bar, OD bar with respect to O, etc. These are the position vectors. Understand? We can write them. One more important thing. Suppose OP bar equals to xi plus OP bar equal to R bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk is a position vector. Its magnitude or modulus value mod R bar can be written as root Next, coefficient of I square, coefficient of J square, coefficient of K square. This is the magnitude of the position vector as like this. Next, direction ratios, direction ratios and cosines and cosines. Understand? As like this. Suppose r bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. The components x, y, z are called direction ratios which are proportional to the cosines. Direction ratios. Direction cosines are we can take as like this. Direction cosines are as like this. X by root of x square plus y square plus z square, y by root of x square plus y square plus z square, and z by root of x square plus y square plus z square. These are the direction ratios. Cosines are like this. Ratios are components. The components x comma y comma z are proportional to cosines called the direction ratios, or the coordinates x, y, z. One more next thing is that negative of a vector. Suppose negative of a vector. Understand? Like this. Suppose AB bar is equal to A bar a vector. Its negative is minus A bar equal to BA bar. BA bar is called the negative of a vector AB bar. And one more important thing, modulus AB, modulus BS same, but directions are the opposite. As like this. AB, BA direction, we can take like this. Understand? This is the negative of a vector. Next, coplanar and collinear vectors. Coplanar vectors nothing but vectors lies in the same plane are called coplanar. Vectors collinear. The two or more vectors lies on the same line are called collinear vectors. Understand? The collinear or coplanar vectors. Collinear vectors nothing but vectors are parallel to the same line or whose lies on the same line. Two vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line, or otherwise lies on the same line. Okay? Now, those are called vectors lies on the same line or parallel to or parallel. Collinear nothing but parallel to the same line or lies on the same line are called collinear vectors. Coplanar nothing but lies on the same plane are called coplanar vectors. Nothing but parallel to the same plane or lies on the same plane are called coplanar vectors. Otherwise called non-coplanar vectors. Okay? Like this. Next, the important thing is as like this, sum of the vectors. The very important thing, how to adding the vectors, sum of the vectors. Sum of the vectors. Let us see how do we add in the vectors. To add the vectors, we use the triangle law of addition. To adding the vectors, we use triangle law of addition. Triangle law of addition. Understand? Let us see how do we use this triangle law of addition. Suppose like this, to a triangle OAB. Okay? Let us see how do we adding them. Here, OB bar equals to, we can add in the like this, from triangle OAB, we can add in as like this, OB bar equals to OA bar plus AB bar. This is called the triangle of addition. This is the way to adding the vectors. Understand? So, here a node condition as like this. This can be taken as, according to this condition, we can take AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar. It means every vector can be written as difference of two position vectors. Understand? In the same way, similarly, we can write BC bar equal to OC minus OB bar. CD bar equals to OD minus OC bar. BA bar equals to OA minus OB bar, like this, etc. We can write every vector as the difference of two vectors as like this. Understand? One more important thing, scalar multiplication of a vector. Scalar multiplication of a vector. Okay? Like this. Next, scalar multiplication. Multiplication of a vector. Let us see how do we take the scalar multiplication of a vector. Listen, one important thing as like this. Suppose lambda is a scalar, a bar is a vector. Listen, lambda is a scalar, a bar is a vector, then lambda a bar is a vector. This is the scalar multiplication. One node condition as like this, modulus lambda a bar can be written as lambda into modulus a bar. Understand? This is nothing but we can write as like this. Actually, here modulus lambda, modulus a bar. Lambda is a scalar, and negative or positive. Take modulus. Always we should take. It should be a positive. Understand? We can take as like this. Suppose one more important thing here, as like this. Suppose a vector, okay, a vector, suppose AB is a vector, section formula, AB is a vector, P is a point, divides the vector AB in the ratio n is to 1, and then we write the position vector of P. OP bar is M into OB bar plus n into OA bar by m plus n. Suppose let OA bar is A bar, OB bar is B bar, then we write it as OP bar equals to, and also one more thing, the position vector OP bar can be written as MP bar plus NA bar by M plus N. Understand? This is section formula. Understand? Okay. Let us go for the problems in the next class. Understand? One more important thing. Okay.